How to transfer your WhatsApp chat from Android device to your iPhone device. Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer all of your WhatsApp chats to your iPhone if you're using an Android device. First thing first, you just have to open up your WhatsApp, and once you open up your WhatsApp, you just have to tap on the three dots at the top right to open up your setting. So the best way to transfer your WhatsApp chat is to back it up. And once you back up your chat, it will be very easy for you to transfer all of your chats of WhatsApp. For that, you first need to tap on chats on the settings. And once you open your chat settings, you will see chat backup at the bottom. And here you just have an option to back up your chats. But before you back up, you will have to choose your Google account because WhatsApp uses Google Drive to back up all of your chats and your medias. So once your backup is complete, you can even choose the frequency of when you back up. I recommend you set it to daily so that it will back up your chats on daily basis. And once you back up your chat, you just have to open up your iPhone and install WhatsApp. And once you log into your account, there it will automatically show if you have any backups on your account, and you can just load all of your chats from there. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.